bowling game with Dolphin Class. Today at Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool, our baby shark tank and Dolphin Class enjoyed a super fun bowling game, which helps develop focus, hand-eye coordination, and teamwork skills. Shamy was excited to roll the ball, laughing loudly when knocking